Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're cutting straight to the chase on a bold new prediction for XRP. While the entire crypto market has been facing serious bearish pressure, one prominent market analyst is making a stunning claim. This current weakness in XRP isn't a sign of defeat. Instead, it's merely a pause, a stalling period before a massive next move against Bitcoin itself. The specific prediction? That the XRP/BTC pair is primed to hit 0.00013. Now, let's break down exactly what that means and whether this analysis holds water. First, let's set the stage with the current situation, because the analyst isn't ignoring the obvious bearish trends. As reported by TheCryptoBasic, the broader crypto market has been witnessing consistent sell-offs and waning investor sentiment. This has pushed XRP below the critical psychological level of $3, and it has since lost its support at $2.90, trading around $2.80 at the time of the report. More importantly, and this is key for the analysis, XRP has been performing even more bearishly than Bitcoin. This has led to a consistent decline in the XRP/BTC trading pair, which is the value of XRP measured in Bitcoin, not dollars. But this is where the analyst, known as XRP, diverges from the simple narrative of decline. He suggests that this price action is not a collapse, but a consolidation. A pause. He shared a detailed one-month chart showing that despite a rough start to August where the pair fell 5.93%, it has been trading within a specific defined range. His central argument is that this price movement has formed a specific and typically bullish chart pattern known as a bull pennant. For context, a bull pennant structure is a continuation pattern. It typically features two parts. First, a massive, almost vertical price surge. This is called a flagpole. Then, after that huge run-up, the price enters a period of consolidation where it moves in a narrowing range. This forms the actual pennant or flag shape. The theory is that the market is taking a breather after its explosive move, gathering energy before its next leg up. XRP's chart identifies the flagpole as the monumental surge that happened between November 2024 and January 2025. In that period, the XRP/BTC pair exploded from a low of 0.0000725 BTC all the way up to a high of 0.0003419 BTC. To put that in dollar terms, this aligned with XRP's price rocketing from around 50 cents to $3.40. That is undoubtedly a flagpole-worthy move. Since that January peak for the past 8 months, the XRP/BTC pair has been consolidating, forming what XRP identifies as the pennant itself. The price has been bouncing between a high of around 0.0003288 BTC and establishing a strong support level around 0.0001928 BTC. The recent price drop, according to this view, is simply a movement within this consolidation pennant, not a breakdown from it. This leads to XRP's core statement. XRP is merely stalling before the move. So what is the predicted move? The analysis states that the expected breakout would first push the pair above the upper trend line of the pennant, specifically beyond a key resistance level at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at 0.0002893 BTC. After breaking out, a common technical expectation is for the price to retrace slightly to retest that former resistance level as new support. If it holds, that's when the launch is expected to happen. XRP has identified 3 specific targets for this move using Fibonacci extension levels. The first target is at the 1.272 Fib extension, which is 0.0007262 BTC. Now, if Bitcoin's price were at its current reported level of around $108,500, that would put the price of a single XRP at approximately $7.87. The second target is even higher, at the 1.414 Fib extension level of 0.0000950 BTC. With BTC at $108,500, that translates to an XRP price of $10.30. Finally, the ultimate target is set at the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, which would place the XRP/BTC pair at 0.0001398 BTC. This is the headline figure. The last time the pair was at this level was back in January 2018. But here's the critical difference. Bitcoin was trading at a fraction of its current price back then. Today, with Bitcoin valued at $108,500, If XRP were to hit 0.0001398 BTC, its price would skyrocket to approximately $15.10. This is a monumental prediction. It's crucial to approach this with a critical but open mind. Technical analysis, especially on longer time frames and in a market as volatile as cryptocurrency, is not a guaranteed prophecy. It's a probabilistic forecast based on historical patterns. The entire thesis relies on the bull pennant pattern holding and not breaking down to the downside. It also assumes that the broader market sentiment will shift to support this breakout. However, the value in this analysis from XRP is that it provides a structured, data-driven framework for understanding XRP's price action against Bitcoin, moving beyond the simple dollar value emotions of fear and greed. It gives a specific level to watch for confirmation, a sustained break above that 0.0000289 BTC level. Until that happens, it remains a compelling but unconfirmed prediction. What do you think? Is this bull pennant analysis a realistic roadmap for XRP's future, or is it overly optimistic given the current market conditions? I'm very curious to hear your perspective. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear and critical analysis. Thanks for watching.